Hello everybody, I'm going to talk about some of the stocks we are watching, starting out with ACAM, and I'm going to be using the AMC charting for these because I like to use this for the entries. So, ACAM actually dropped in the beginning of October, and now we have seen the black line cross the red. So what I'm waiting for is this yellow power line actually to cross the blue, and once that happens, we're going to be entering this stock. If it doesn't happen, we'll see this yellow kind of bounce off the blue line right here. So if we click on the bars, we can actually see that Friday was the first day that this actually closed above the support line, right around 46 something. And so that is why we are watching ACAM. The next stock we are going to be watching is Amazon. And Amazon, again, it had a very nice climb, but it came down and actually bounced off this blue moving average. And when that happened, actually you can see at the beginning, late September, this yellow power line crossed this blue line right there, which actually would trigger our exit point if we're just going off the AMC charting. That would trigger our exit point for this. And the yellow actually just, I think, crossed the blue line, and the black crossed the actually didn't cross, but actually crossed the red and green line. Excuse me, it bounced off the blue line. So that's why we're watching Amazon. And again, it's up in this 85%, so it's very it's in a very nice trend line, and it has been for quite some time. But just keep watching Amazon, and I believe that yellow did cross the blue line right there. They're basically on top of each other. So if one was to enter the stock right now using this rule, just click on these bars. Oh, we had a very large gain. And make sure you have a stop loss, probably right below the support line here, beneath $153 and about probably 50 cents. So just look for that, and probably watch a pullback from Friday's very large gain. So let's move on to another one of my favorite stocks, Acme Packet. And Acme again, the yellow is about to cross the blue, and the black line is crossing, has crossed the red. Let's take these support lines off. Has crossed the red and is sitting right at the green and blue. So definitely keep this on your watch list. And I've done very well with this stock as well. And mind you, when it went north of the blue back here in March, I mean that's a $12 stock, and now it's a $37 stock, I believe. And it only crossed this blue moving average a few times. So going back and looking at this in the channel analysis, Acme Packet has done very well. I mean, it only crossed north of the blue twice using this one. So if you're looking at the channel analysis in this, it's very good. We see the blue coming up and the black. This right here, just looking at this and looking at the other one, I would enter this stock. So definitely keep APKT if you're looking for something to enter. Definitely keep that in mind. The next one is F5, one of my first trades. I'm sad I didn't hold on to it, because I would have almost doubled my money. I entered back in this area, and we are sitting right at the north of the blue. So looking at F5 in this, we see the blue above the, or a blue below the black, which is good, but we see it kind of sitting at the 50%, and we see this huge volume of spike down right here. So that's why the volume has changed, and the bars, see the upward price strength, it stayed the same. So we're going to be looking for a very nice push off this blue moving average right here. So let's go ahead and take a look at the AMC charting for F5. And this is in technology. They've done very well. And looking at the AMC charting, we're going to see the red moving average come dropping down, and we see the yellow kind of hovering down there. So watch for that push up, and if it does push up in the channel analysis, definitely look to enter F5. The next one is Nutrisystems. And while I'm looking at Nutrisystems, this red is really hard to look through it sometimes. We can see this yellow actually pushing off the blue, and this black line breaking away from all of those averages. And let's go ahead and take a look at that in the channel analysis. And as you can see, they've come together and moving up. So that is definitely an entry at this point, especially if this breaks through the support line. Click for video 2, please.